Do you want to use Excel for free? In this tutorial, we will learn how. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. First, we will go to Google search and type Excel online. We will now access the official website, excel.cloud.microsoft. To use Excel online, you must first sign in with a Microsoft account. Here, I will click on Sign In. Here I will add an existing Microsoft account or create a new one by clicking on Create One. You can now start working by clicking Create Blank Workbook. Here, we will find that all the tools are available for use. If you want an easier way to use Excel without visiting the website, you can install it as a desktop application. To do that, we will click on the three dots at the top right. Then Save and Share. Then, create a shortcut. Then, we select the Open as Window option. Then Create. After that, Excel will open in a separate window. And now, you can use it without needing to open the website. As you can see, an Excel shortcut has been created on the desktop. You can pin it to the taskbar by right-clicking on it and selecting Show More Options. Then select Pin to Taskbar. If you want to remove the Excel app shortcut from the desktop, we will click on the three dots at the top right. Then, we click on Uninstall Microsoft Excel. At the end of the video, you will find a playlist containing other methods for downloading and installing Office programs on your computer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.